Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a close look at the GMKtec K12 Mini PC, a high-performance small form factor desktop built for heavy productivity, creative workloads, and high frame rate 1080p gaming. At the core of the GMKtec K12 is the AMD Ryzen 780M processor, an upgraded variant of the popular 8745HS architecture. Packing 8 cores and 16 threads, it delivers exceptional multi-core performance for complex task handling. This configuration comes preloaded with 32GB of high-speed DDR5 memory and a 512GB NVMe solid-state drive, ensuring rapid boot times, instant app responsiveness, and seamless multitasking across demanding applications. Graphics performance is driven by the integrated AMD Radeon 780M GPU, which easily handles 1080p gaming, media editing, and standard daily workloads. But what truly sets the K12 apart for performance enthusiasts is its dedicated OCuLink Port. This high-bandwidth interface lets you connect an external graphics dock with minimal performance loss compared to traditional USB connectors, transforming this compact mini PC into a full desktop gaming rig. Storage expansion is another major highlight. Unlike most mini PCs that cap out at 2 storage drives, the K12 features 3 M.2 2280 slots, allowing for massive local storage expansion down the line. On the networking and connectivity side, GMKtec went all out. The unit sports dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports for advanced network setups, router builds, or home servers. For display outputs, you get HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort, and a full-function USB 4 port capable of high-speed data transfer and driving multiple 4K displays simultaneously. Thermal design keeps internal temperatures stable under heavy load while maintaining quiet fan speeds during daily office use. Setup is fast and straightforward right out of the box, making it an ideal choice for gamers, content creators, and power users who want maximum capability in a tiny desktop footprint. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on the GMKtec K12. Thanks for watching.